Hi friends, good day. Today let us try to understand about what is day trading, how day trading works, what are the points to consider while picking the broker, what can be traded, and what are the strategies in day trading. According to Bernard Baruch, in trading or investing, it's not about how much you make, but rather how much you don't lose. Before we go in,
Please subscribe for more videos. Click the bell icon for updates.
what is day trading? Day trading refers to buying and selling a security within a same or single trading day. It involves making short-term trades, never lasting more than one day in an attempt to make profits in the financial markets. Day trader is the operator who indulges in the day trading. Some day traders are very active, making many trades every day, whereas others may enter and exit only one position per day. A successful day trader must know which stock to trade in, when to enter a trade, and when to exit it. The most common day trading markets are stocks, foreign exchange or Forex, and futures. Day traders exit positions before the market closes to avoid unmanageable risks and negative price gaps between one day's close and the next day's price at the open. Day traders use high amounts of leverage and short-term trading strategies to gain advantage on small price movements that occur in highly liquid stocks and currencies. For example, if you purchase 100 shares in ABC company in the morning, you will have to sell them by the end of the trading day and then start afresh the following morning. How day trading works? Day trading mainly depends on the volatility. Day traders rely mostly on stock or market fluctuations to earn their profits. The day traders likes the stocks that bounce around or fluctuates a lot throughout the day. The reasons may be good or bad. For example, a good or bad earnings report, positive or negative news, or just general market sentiment. They also prefer the liquid stocks, which allows them to move in and out of a position without affecting the stock's price. They might trade the same stock many times in a day, buying it one time and then short selling it the next, taking advantage of the fluctuations or the changing sentiment. The main concept is that to buy the stock if it is moving higher or short sell the stock if it is moving lower. Whatever strategy they use, they are looking for the stock that move. If you want to use a broker, below are the points to take into consideration while picking a broker. Speed of execution. Speed of execution is an important factor due to the high number of trades you do in a day. Costs. The lower the fees and the commission rates, the more profit we can have, and some brokers will reduce the commission the more you trade. Regulatory compliance. Make sure that the broker you choose is regulated. They will be legally obligated to protect your financial interests. Support. Whichever the day trading strategy we use, we may need some assistance at some point. So we need to choose a broker with quick response time and strong customer support. Well, what can be traded? Forex. The foreign exchange currency market is the world's most popular and liquid. Stocks. Physical stocks in individual companies, regular and leveraged ETFs, futures, and stock options. ETFs are the exchange-traded fund which holds multiple stocks or commodities and is traded like a single stock. Cryptocurrencies. The two most currently popular are Bitcoin and Ethereum. Binary options. This is the simplest and most predictable method, as the timing and the return on a successful trade are known in advance. Futures, the future price of a commodity or a security. Commodities, oil and natural gas, foodstuffs, metal and minerals. Day trading strategies. Knowledge is power. In addition to all the knowledge of basic trading procedures, day traders need to keep up on the latest market news of the stocks and the events that affect stock. Set aside funds. We need to access how much capital you are willing to risk on each trade. Many successful day traders risk less percentage, that is less than 1% to 2% of their account per trade. If you have Rs 40,000 trading account and are willing to risk 0.5% of your capital on each trade, then the minimum loss per trade is Rs 200. It is always better to set aside a surplus amount of funds you can trade with and you are prepared to lose even though it may or may not happen. Give some time. Day trading requires your time. We need to give this most of our day. So we should not consider this if you have only limited time to spare. You need to track the market and spot opportunities during the trading hours. Start small. During the beginning or as a beginner, you need to focus on 1 to 2 stocks during a session. With only few stocks to concentrate, trading and finding opportunities become easier. Avoid penny stocks. Penny stocks are those that have a very low price and very low market capitalization. You need to stay away from the penny stocks as they are often illiquid and the chances of hitting a jackpot or profit are often less. Time those trades. The orders placed by the investors and trades begin to execute as soon as the market opens in the morning, and this contributes to the price volatility. As an experienced trader, you may be able to recognize the patterns and pick appropriately to make profits. For the beginners, it is better to just read the market for the first 15 to 20 minutes thoroughly before making a move. Be realistic about profits. It is important to be realistic. A strategy doesn't have to win all the time and become profitable. Many traders win only 50 to 60% of their trades. You need to make sure that the risk taken on each trade is limited to a specific percentage of the account and that the entry and the exit methods are clearly defined. We need to stay cool. Even the stock market tests your nerves. Decisions should be taken by logic and not emotion. We need to stick to the plan you have developed. We need to develop a trading strategy in advance, and you need to stick to that strategy. You should not let your emotions overrule you. There is a mantra about the day traders. Plan your trade and trade your plan. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and do share.